Hello, if you're watching this, I just wanted to give you a quick little video about me. Obviously, we'll probably do this in the first day of classes anyways, but just so you can kind of, see a little bit more about me. My name is Patty Wishton. You can call me Patty, you can call me Miss Wishton, you can call me Wish, whatever you would like. Not too picky about that. And this is your math class. Just wanted to give you a little information about me. Here we go. So I have grown up, I've lived a couple different places. I grew up in Florida. I'm originally from Florida. I lived there until I graduated college and then moved to Hawaii to teach there for 1 year, which turned into 5 because obviously who doesn't love Hawaii? And then after Hawaii, in Hawaii I met my wife, and then we moved to Florida. We moved back to Florida for 2 years for grad school, and then we moved back to Joy's home state, which is Colorado, and that's where I've been since. So that's a little bit about me. This is my family. So over here's my wedding picture. This is me and my wife. And then all of our wonderful friends that, stood up and supported us on our big day. And then down here is my immediate family, my mom and my dad and my 2 sisters. And then me and my wife, my nephew, and one of my sister's husbands. But I'm pretty close to my family, even though they live in Florida and I live in Colorado. I miss them a lot. The most important part of my family is my pets, of course. They're pretty much like our children currently. We have 3 of them. We got our first one a long time ago. I think she's 7 now. Her name is Tonks. She's a little Chiweenie. I don't know if you notice anything about the names Tonks, Granger, and Mooney. If you're a Harry Potter fan, you'll notice. But these are all Harry Potter names. Me and my wife are huge Harry Potter fans. So we have Tonks. She's a little sassy, more like a cat than a dog, but we love her so much. Then we have Granger, who is the sweetest, kindest little anxious little pup ever. And then we just recently, last year, got Mooney, who was our first boy animal. And he's just a ball of energy. Always running, always biting, always wanting to play. You'll probably hear many stories about them. Next, my hobbies. I love playing sports, basketball mainly. Love watching sports, pretty much any sport except for golf or NASCAR. I'll probably be watching. I love watching TVs and movies, so if you have any suggestions, if you're watching anything and you're like, this is great, tell me. I'll totally watch it because I love watching movies and TV. Love hanging out with friends and having game nights or going to the movies or just eating with people, And then me and my wife love traveling, although we haven't gotten to do much because of COVID, but mainly seeing my family and then going to see new places and stuff like that. Most importantly, though, I love my job. I love teaching. I love being able to see students and see how smart they are and see when they realize that they are good at math. They just have to, put a little more effort into it than maybe other subjects. Just like I'm good at math, not good at English, but I'm not bad at it. I just have to put a little more effort into it. So mainly I want you guys to take away from this video is I am here to help and I love helping. It's my favorite thing to do in the world. That's why I'm a teacher. So please rely on me and ask me for help as much as you can. Thanks.